Hey guys, it's Sky Sempaternal, and wow, it has been a long time. What has it been? 4 or 5 years? So anyway, I'm back! Hi! Thank you for watching, and I'm revamping my YouTube channel. We are going to start having videos at least once a week, and I am so excited to be back with you guys on YouTube. For those of you who are still subscribed to my channel, thank you so much, and for those of you who are new, welcome! I'm Sky Steves, or Sky Sempaternal. Today I have a doll unboxing for you guys. Over the past year, I've become a huge fan of fashion dolls, and I have over 250 in my collection. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is still Sky Sempaternal, but I also have a doll collecting account called Baby Doll Dolls, and that's where I've been posting a lot of my doll collector content. So if you're here from there, hi guys, thank you so much for joining us, and I'm sure you will enjoy this Rainbow High Twins unboxing, but if not, stick around because there's going to be lots of other genres of content coming soon. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So today we have the highly anticipated Rainbow High Twins. I went to 9 Targets looking for these dolls over the past few days. So if you haven't heard of Rainbow High, they are a fashion doll similar to Bratz, Barbie, or Monster High, and they are made by MGA Entertainment. Legend says that at the end of the rainbow there's a pot of gold, but the truth is it's something even more amazing. Only a chosen few with an eye for bold fashions can follow the rainbow to Rainbow High, the colorful fashion school where everyone learns to flaunt their true colors. Collect the rainbow of beautiful fashion dolls with Rainbow High. Rainbow High is introducing their first ever twins. Whenever there's drama at high school or someone gets pinned the blame, be sure that these twin sisters are always behind it. One is fiery while the other is cold as ice, and they always carry the drama in their little bags with them, including 4 different clear shoe boxes along with 4 different pairs of shoes, 2 necklaces, 4 different pairs of earrings, 2 detailed fabric bags, and stands. These twins are so hot and cold. I am so excited for these girls. I dragged my husband along with me to every Target, as I mentioned, and we actually found them at the very last one that we were going to. And I was shocked. I was literally not expecting at all to find them. So here is our packaging. It is really, really pretty. If you're an inbox collector, I would love to have this as the centerpiece, but I'm not. I don't have that willpower to keep them in the box. So of course we're gonna open them today. But we have this rectangular box with some clear plastic on the front, and on the top we have a rainbow piece of cardboard that says collect the rainbow. We also have these really cool plastic gold pieces made to look like hardware on a bag. One of them is actually coming off right here. Oops. We also have their names, Laurel and Holly Devious, and we could see their zodiac sign is a Gemini. How fitting. So on the side we also have Rainbow High in gold, and it says special edition. And we could also see a YouTube logo down here because Rainbow High has an amazing YouTube series. On the back of the box we have this gorgeous artwork of Laurel and Holly, and then on the side it says Rainbow High in gold, and on the bottom right here it says whenever something happens major, gossip leaks, or someone gets cut, these devious twins are behind it. One is fiery and one is cold as ice, and they always bring double the drama. So I am so excited to open these dolls. Oh my gosh. Let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so here are Laurel and Holly out of the box, and my first impression is they are so gorgeous. I think these girls may be my favorite Rainbow High dolls aside from Kia. But also I noticed that their hair is really nice. Most Rainbow High dolls have all that crunchy hairspray in it, but I'm not feeling any in these dolls' hair. So first, let's take a look at Holly. Alright, so here is Holly and all of her accessories. Her hair, while it is soft, it is a little bit messed up on her bang part up here. It's not terrible, it's just as a collector I like to have everything super pristine and neat, and it bothers me a little bit. But overall, she is really gorgeous. So let's go ahead and start with her hair. She has 2 pieces down in the front with a high ponytail in the back. And like I said, her hair is super duper soft. There isn't any hairspray in it. She has lots of really cool colors in her hair. She has purple, blue, lime green, and a darker green, and I really love just the combination of everything going on. And she does have a loose curl in her hair. I don't want to mess up her ponytail, so we're not going to be able to take a look at the rooting today, but I'm curious to see if she is fully rooted or if the hair is just rooted for the style. Holly does have a new face mold as well as Laurel. They have almond shaped eyes. We'll do a comparison side by side of an original Rainbow High face mold to the new twins, but there is that difference, and I like that they're giving us more variety with the face molds, and I hope we get more variety in everything. But her makeup looks really pretty. I don't see any defects. She does have shine on her face like the original dolls, and I could see some blue shimmer in the light. I'm not sure if it's going to pick up on camera, but it's just this really faint iridescent shimmer on her face. Her eyebrows are brown, and then her eyes are this light blue color. They have lots of details. One of the things I love about Rainbow High dolls is their inset eyes and eyelashes. Her eyeshadow is rainbow colored with yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink, and then it has a blue cut crease on the top, as well as some blue, green, and yellow underneath. She is super detailed. I really do love the actual glitter on her brow bone. And then she has some light blushing on the cheeks, and then this really pretty pinky red colored lip. Her mouth is slightly open. You can see the white paint resembling her teeth. And then also she has her first pair of earrings right here. So these earrings are silver in color. They do have a tiny bit of a metallic sheen to them. Her earrings are made up of 4 H's, 2 smaller ones and 2 bigger ones in the bottom. And I think they're really cute. It's fun that we get 2 different pairs of earrings. I think I actually would have preferred a second outfit opposed to more accessories for these dolls. Let me know what you guys think below in the comments. Moving on, she is wearing a necklace. This is, I think, the first time we've gotten a necklace for our Rainbow High dolls. It is just a black ribbon with a charm in the middle. It is a silver charm that says HH, very resemblant of her earrings. And then moving down to her 2-piece outfit, both Laurel and Holly are wearing the same dress in a different colorway. It is this tube top with big off-the-shoulder puffy sleeves, and there is some lace detailing on the inside. This is really high quality, guys. I'm really loving it. The pattern on her 2-piece is a combination of purple, blue, a lighter blue, and a green writing. It says magic, sparkle, and rainbow in an all-over print, and I think it's super cute. I like the metallicness. Her skirt does have 2 seams right here in the front for detailing, and then we get a little ruffle on the bottom. It is a pencil skirt. It doesn't have a lot of stretch to it. It is fitted. Moving down to her first pair of shoes, she is wearing these black strappy heels that have a silver belt buckle around the toe, and then on the straps it says rainbow in silver. The actual heel of the shoe is multicolored. The heel is purple with the underside being a dark blue that fades into a light teal and a green at the very tip. Overall, I am really, really loving her. Before we take a look at her accessories, let me go over articulation really quick. These dolls do have the same articulation as all the other Rainbow High dolls, which is at the neck, the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, and the hands are removable, the hip, the top of the thigh, and the knee. So I'm actually just now noticing that her nails are multicolored. They are really, really fun. The thumb is a dark purple, the index finger is indigo, the middle finger is green, the ring finger is a lighter green, and the pinky is a lighter purple. So that's really fun. I like how we get all the different colored nails. That detail is really cute. She also does come with her classic Rainbow High stand in silver, as well as the comb. Moving on to her purse. This is the first purse we have ever gotten with a Rainbow High. So this is a fabric purse. It is a purple metallic, and then the stitching is actually green and blue. That's a really fun detail. The handle is plastic, and let's see, does it open up? Oh my god, it does open up. Okay. And then we do have a little silver H charm on the bag. Moving on to her accessories in the trunk cases. I really do like these trunk cases. I think they would be great for when the Rainbow High dollhouse comes out. So these ones are in silver, and inside we have our earrings. So here is our second pair of earrings. They are purple studs, just the classic Rainbow High earrings that we get with every other doll in Series 1. Here she is with the different pair of earrings on. I think I'd probably keep her in the silver earrings though. just for variety since they're a little different. Here is our second trunk case. It has our shoes and it is silver as well. It's a little bit bigger. Alright, so here is her second pair of shoes. I also always like to save these little pieces of plastic inside the trunk cases to keep the shoes organized if I did want to display them. So her second pair of shoes are a little black high heel. They have a black body with a silver toe, and the underneath is blue with a fade to lime green, and then the actual heel is a navy blue and it says RH in silver. And then the other shoe actually has different coloring underneath. It has a purple heel with a purple underside and a fade to dark blue on the toe. Moving on to our second doll, here's Laurel. So she has a warm color theme and I honestly can't decide which one I like better. I really, really love her hair. Orange is one of my favorite colors and she just looks like a fiery goddess. Laurel is essentially the same doll as Holly, but in a different colorway. So let's look at her hair. It is in the same high ponytail style with the two pieces in the front, except it is a fiery red, a bright yellow, a bright orange, and some streaks of magenta. It feels soft, it doesn't have any hairspray or product, just like Holly, and it appears to be really thick. Moving on to her face, she has the same sheen in her skin. It does look like it still has that blue iridescent tone. I was kind of expecting a warm iridescent tone. Again, it is really light. Her eyes are the same almond shape and they are a warm brown. Her eyes have a yellow in the inner corner with a pink cut crease and then a pink and red ombre fade out by the wing. They are really, really pretty. I love this combination of colors. It's like a sunset. She also has the light blushing on her cheeks and the same pink toned lip. Moving on to Laurel's earrings. They are 4 golden R's and they are the same design with a different letter essentially as Holly's. They have 2 small R's on the top and 2 bigger ones on the bottom. I'm actually noticing a little bit of a defect on Laurel's ear. There's a little bit of some dark scuffs. I also see some spots right here on her hairline where it looks like those should have been filled with hair plugs. Moving on to her necklace, it is a white ribbon choker that is tied in the back with the same RR emblem in gold. And then again, she is wearing the same 2-piece outfit that Holly is wearing in a different colorway. This one is white with golden and pink metallic writing. And also it has the tulle on the inside of the sleeves, this time being in white. God, I just love that detail so much. It looks like a big bow. It's so cute. Going down to her nails, they are of course warm colors. The thumb is hot pink, the index finger is orange as well as the middle finger. The ring finger is yellow and the pinky is hot pink. I've noticed that these dolls, since they don't have any clothing around their waist, right where the stand hits, they want to fall down. They're not as tight as they would be if they had an extra layer of fabric, but you know, not a big deal. You could always use some poster putty and stick their feet down if you're displaying them and you don't want them going anywhere. Her shoes are the same design as Holly's, but these ones are in white with gold detailing, and the heels are pink. The underside is red and then it fades to orange and yellow on the very front. Let's check out her purse. It is the same design as Holly's, except this one is a red metallic. The stitching on this one is red, orange, and yellow, and it has a gold handle with a gold R charm. And then of course it does have that same Velcro closure. Her stand is golden as well as her comb. And then in her box, she has her second pair of earrings. These boxes are a little different. They have gold accents instead of silver. And then here are her second pair of earrings. They are red studs. All right, in her second box, she has her second pair of shoes. These ones are white with a pearlescent finish. They have a golden toe, and one of them has a pink heel with a fade to red on the bottom of the front. And then one has a yellow heel with a fade to orange on the bottom of the front. Also, I don't know if this is new, but I am noticing there is an R and an L on the shoes. I don't think I've ever seen that before for the Rainbow High dolls, but that is very convenient. So overall, I think these dolls are definitely worth the hype with the special edition and $49.99 price point. They are super cute. I think the quality is definitely there and comparable to the other Rainbow High dolls. I really love that they took the product out of the hair. It saves me time washing and restyling. I think the purses are a nice added touch, as well as all this detailing on the sleeves. Honestly, I would have rather had second outfits instead of all the extra accessories and trunks, but I'm still glad we got something. We got 2 dolls, we got all this extra stuff. So overall, I definitely think these dolls will be very popular. I'll go ahead and try to find that Amazon link to leave it in the description box below so you could purchase them for yourself. And let me know in the comments which doll is your favorite. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another video like this one. Thank you so much guys for watching. I am looking so forward to all the new content I have coming out. So thank you for staying with me after all these years, and I'm glad to be back. Bye guys.